Hello, so we're at 8 Kingmoor Terrace in Carlisle. I'm going to start outside with this one because to the front of the property we've got a lovely garden area. The garden goes really right far back, as far as that shed at the bottom. There's a lawn area, patio area, some lovely trees, a nice fruit tree here. That comes with the property. And then here you can see there's plenty of parking. You could probably get about 3 cars on here. It's a quiet no-through street, and every property just has the agreement that you just park in front of your own property, really. So yeah, you get a good number of cars on here. So we're going to the property. There's a lovely entrance porch which stops you going straight into the living room. Keeps it nice and warm. And through into a living room with a lovely cosy gas fire. Spin around so you can see the size. Lovely size living room there. And then comes through into a dining room. The dining room's got an understairs cupboard and a window into the rear yard, which I'll show you. It's got a little yard to reach. As well as your garden to the front, you have got a little rear yard with an outhouse as well, and access to a rear lane. You've got a fitted kitchen here, which has an integrated fridge freezer, plumbing for a washing machine under the sink. There's a dishwasher there, and a 5-ring gas cooker, which is a nice size. And then you've got through into the bathroom. So your bathroom's got your shower attachment plus an electric shower over the bath, fully tiled, and your wash hand basin and toilet. And of course, so the stairs go up between the living room and dining room to your 2 bedrooms. To the right is your master bedroom at the front. Lovely exposed floorboards. Really good size double. And that cupboard there's got your combi boiler in as well for your heating. That's a great size. And then you can see the extent of the garden from here as well. The garden down there. And the parking. And then across the landing to another bedroom. Slightly smaller but still a great size. That's got a cupboard over the stairs. Just give you an idea of the size. And then the outside view. We've just got it's Kingmoor Nature Reserve just behind, which leaves you right up to Kingstown, which is a lovely walk. Really handy location for getting into town, bus routes, shops, supermarkets, schools. You've got everything on your doorstep here. Great location. So if you're interested, just contact Hunters and we'll send you out an application pack and we can arrange a viewing. Thank you.